Namaste, I am Professor Prasad. Today, I want to talk about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, which could be one of the biggest defense stock to watch in 2025. HAL is the backbone of India's air defense, has 1.84 lakh crores order book and growing exports. Let's explore the fundamentals of HAL to understand how it's growing. And after that, I will show you the technical analysis of HAL with moving averages, MACD and more. Stay with me till end. You'll get full picture before making any investment decision. HAL is India's top aircraft manufacturers from Tejas fighter jets and Dhruv helicopters to aircraft engines and avionics. In 2025-26 budget, India allocated 6.81 lakh crore rupees to defense, the highest ever. Of this, 1.80 lakh crores is just for capital expenditure on things like missiles, aircrafts and new systems. Let's look at HAL updated performance for the year 2025. The revenue is 30,400 crores. The order book shows 1.84 lakh crores, which is increased from 94,129 crores opening orders. It is almost double. The net profit is 8,364 crores. The HAL has an equity of 334 crore rupees. The reserves are more than 100 times of its equity at 34,647 crore rupees. The EPS for the year 2025 is 125.07 rupees. The return on equity stood at 27%. HAL is a debt-free company with a dividend yield of 1.2%. HAL gave a massive stock return over 300% in the last 3 years. Let's see the net profit margins. The net profit margins were in the range of 10 to 15% from the year 2015 to 2021. It surged to over 20% from 2022 onwards, and it is 27%, the highest ever in the year 2025. This reflects better pricing, increased operating leverage, and control over costs and interest burden. In the technical analysis, let us start with the trend analysis. We have used 20-day and 50-day daily moving averages DMAs to identify short to medium term trend direction. Here we can see that 20 DMA is above 50 DMA, which is a bullish crossover, and it is a positive signal suggesting upward movement. Next, we confirm the trend using the MACD indicators. Here, the MACD line is above signal line and both are in green zone. This supports the bullish trend seen in the moving averages. However, when we look at the RSI, it is currently at 76.52 and it is in the overbought zone. This means the stock may be overextended in the short term and a pullback or a correction is possible. So, how do we understand this? The trend is clearly positive as moving averages and MACD show bullish strength. But RSI warns us not to enter blindly at this point. This is a time to watch for a consolidation or a minor dip before entering, or wait for RSI to cool down below 70. Risk to watch. No stock is risk-free in the stock market. As everyone knows, HAL depends on government revenue. There used to be execution delays in the large projects. The valuation is high and the stock up 3x in 3 years. Here I conclude, HAL is a strong long-term stock. High growth, zero debt, solid fundamentals. But current price matters. Do your own research before investing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.